In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use NordVPN Meshnet to connect your devices. By the end, you'll have your devices linked through Meshnet so you can securely reach them as if they were on the same local network. First, install the NordVPN app on every device you want to connect, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS. Open the app on each device and sign in using the same NordVPN account. Using the same account is important because Meshnet relies on that shared identity to recognize and link your devices automatically. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the Meshnet feature is available and stable. Also, make sure each device has a reliable internet connection before moving on. Next, enable Meshnet. On a desktop, open the NordVPN app, look to the left-hand sidebar, and select Meshnet. Flip the toggle switch to the on position. On a mobile device, open the app, tap Products, then find Meshnet, and turn the toggle on there as well. As you do this, your system may prompt you to allow VPN-related permissions or install a network component. Go ahead and accept these prompts. They allow Meshnet to create the secure, encrypted pathways it needs between devices. This doesn't necessarily connect you to a VPN server for browsing. It specifically turns on the Meshnet feature that links devices together securely. Once Meshnet is on, your own devices will start to appear automatically in the Meshnet section, as long as they're signed in with the same account and have the Meshnet toggle enabled. Give it a moment if you've just turned it on. Sometimes it takes a short time for devices to register and show up. If a device doesn't appear, double-check that you're logged into the same account and that the toggle is still on. Keeping the app open for a few moments can also help the initial handshake complete. If you want to connect with someone else's device, invite them from the Meshnet tab. Send an invitation to another NordVPN user by entering their email address within the app. Once they accept your invite, their device will be added to your Meshnet. Only invite people you trust, because linked devices can communicate over this private network. You can manage or remove connections from the same Meshnet screen at any time. That's it. Install and log in on each device, enable Meshnet, and your devices link themselves or invite others to join. Enjoy a secure, seamless network wherever you are.